And let's go even deeper, because the 2026 GMC Savana ULTRA 6x6 luxury van is not just about looks and comfort, it's about presence, engineering, and exclusivity at another level. When you drive this machine through the city, the road presence is unreal. People turn their heads instantly. The triple axle setup gives it a stretched, armored truck vibe, yet the polished chrome accents and premium paint finish remind everyone that this is pure luxury. It feels like a celebrity convoy vehicle, the kind you expect to see escorting VIPs, executives, or global stars. One major advantage of the 6x6 setup is stability. With the extra axle distributing weight more evenly, highway cruising feels planted and controlled. Even at higher speeds, the body roll is surprisingly minimal for something this large. Crosswinds that would normally push a tall van around are handled with confidence thanks to the wider footprint. Long-distance travel is where this van truly shines. Imagine a 6-hour highway journey. Instead of feeling fatigued, rear passengers can recline, activate the massage seats, watch movies on the large LCD display, and enjoy climate-controlled comfort. Dual or even tri-zone climate systems ensure every passenger has personalized temperature control. The insulation and cabin engineering create a peaceful environment. Conversations can happen in normal tones, even at highway speeds. That level of refinement is something you normally associate with ultra-luxury sedans, not heavy-duty vans. Now, let's talk practicality. Despite the executive lounge setup, the Savana ULTRA 6x6 still offers impressive cargo flexibility. Many builds allow seat reconfiguration or folding layouts, giving you space for luggage, business equipment, or travel gear. Some configurations even include hidden storage compartments beneath the floor panels. Security is another big highlight. Optional armored packages can include reinforced panels, ballistic glass, and run-flat tires. For high-profile clients or security-conscious buyers, this transforms the van into a mobile safe haven without sacrificing interior luxury. Technology integration is also next level. Rear passengers often get their own control panels to adjust lighting, media, seat position, and climate. USB-C ports, HDMI connectivity, wireless charging pads, and even onboard Wi-Fi routers are common in premium builds. It's basically a mobile office or a mobile cinema depending on how you use it. Let's talk about maintenance and ownership experience. Owning something like this is different from owning a regular van, because it's based on the reliable platform of the GMC Savana. Mechanical servicing remains relatively straightforward compared to exotic supercars. However, custom 6x6 conversions may require specialized service centers for suspension and drivetrain components. Insurance costs will be higher due to the vehicle's value and custom modifications. Fuel costs will also be significant, especially with a powerful V8 under the hood. But buyers in this category usually prioritize experience and exclusivity over operating expenses. Another important factor is customization. Almost no two Savana ULTRA 6x6 builds are exactly the same. Buyers can choose custom stitching patterns, exotic wood trims, carbon fiber accents, personalized lighting themes, custom sound systems, and even engraved nameplates. This level of personalization means your van can truly be one of one. From a business perspective, this vehicle can also be an investment. Luxury transport companies, VIP rental services, and high-end tour operators can use it as a premium offering. Charging executive-level rental rates can help offset the initial purchase price over time. Now, let's discuss driving comfort from the driver's perspective. Despite its size, visibility is surprisingly good thanks to elevated seating and large side mirrors. Add in the 360-degree camera system, and maneuvering becomes far less intimidating. The steering is tuned to handle the extended wheelbase, and modern stability control systems keep everything balanced. The suspension deserves special mention. Heavy-duty shock absorbers combined with reinforced springs allow it to carry the added axle without compromising comfort. Whether you're driving over rough rural roads or smooth highways, the ride quality remains composed. Braking performance is also upgraded to handle the extra mass. Larger rotors and performance calipers ensure controlled stopping power. That's crucial for a vehicle of this scale. In terms of competition, there are very few direct rivals. Some luxury motorhomes offer similar interior comfort, and certain 6x6 SUVs provide off-road dominance, but combining both in one package is extremely rare. That's what makes the Savana ULTRA 6x6 stand out in a league of its own. Emotionally, this van delivers something special. It makes you feel powerful behind the wheel. It makes passengers feel important in the rear cabin. And it creates a sense of exclusivity that standard luxury vehicles simply cannot replicate. Let's quickly summarize the key highlights. Exterior: aggressive 6x6 stance, massive tires, premium LED lighting, bold grille, high ground clearance. Cockpit: digital cluster, large infotainment screen, quilted leather, ambient lighting, executive driver comfort. Rear interior: reclining captain chairs, massage functions, LCD TV, luxury cabinets, starlight ceiling, premium sound insulation. Performance: powerful V8 engine, 6-wheel drive traction, upgraded suspension, strong towing capability. Price: starting around $250,000 and climbing beyond $400,000 depending on customization. So, is it worth it? If you measure value purely by practicality and fuel efficiency, maybe not. But if you measure value by luxury, exclusivity, presence, and capability, then absolutely yes. The 2026 GMC Savana ULTRA 6x6 luxury van is not for everyone. It's for those who want to stand apart, those who want their vehicle to reflect success, ambition, and bold personality. It's more than just a van. It's a rolling executive suite, a 6-wheeled luxury fortress, a statement of power and comfort combined. And honestly, vehicles like this are rare. That's what makes them unforgettable.